Empty hearts and neon lights. They're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. Find somewhere. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. La 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 la. Oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone.
What's up everyone? Welcome to the stream. Day 24. So thankfully we survived until day 24. And welcome to the stream everyone. Day 24. Building the most customizable AI coding super app or workspace, you can call it. So that's the mission. I already built it, but now I'm like on a mission to make it like even better, cleaner, lighter, faster. So that's the mission. And welcome everyone to the stream. I hope you have a great weekends ahead. How are you guys doing? Can you hear me? Music, mic, everything is fine? Okay, good job. For now, we're gonna keep it. If later we needed to do something or changes, we're gonna do. So another thing that we have to fix is that right now, when you collapse your workspace panel to the left side, right, or any area, and then you move your mouse on that show sidebar top left section, and then it show a drop down thread project management or workspace, you can call it, right? So when you open a new chat from that section, for example, you already did collapse the workspace panel, the project thread panel that we have on the left. But when you open a new chat, especially a new chat, sometime what it does, that sometime it does, not every time, it reopen that collapsible panel that we already collapsed it, the left workspace. So that need to be, I want you to check one more time to make sure that it's working and it's fine. Hi Sabur, welcome to the stream. How are you doing? Welcome, good to see you, man. Good to see you. Good to see you again. I'm very positive about that we can today push the biggest update yet. Even I think it's bigger than V2 that we had an update a few, I can say a few days ago or maybe weeks ago, that we pushed the V2 of Nexa, and today I can tell you guys that this version is gonna be even bigger than that, because this is very a lot of stuff improved, fixed, polished, and I rewrote, not me, like the agent of course, but hey, I was the one, right? Tell it. So I can say I rewrote 75% of Nexa, like desktop codes in Rust. So that's what I successfully did it, and all the testing, everything is now going on. Unobs, welcome to the stream. Mecca, welcome man, welcome. Good to see you guys, good to see you. It's great to see you, not good to see you. Why you don't use Opus or Fable? Right now I don't, my subscription has expired. So I have not renewed my cloud subscription. I have $200 Codex subscription, and I have 2 Grok account from my X account, and I have one GLM 5.3. So there is because right now the things that I do, everything is proper planned, everything is clear, and I don't need right now to have a cloud account, like a separate cloud account, which the GPT 5.6 Soul is doing the most of my work right now. And for the smaller stuff I use Grok. So there is no issue right now on my workload that I have to switch or I have to get a cloud. But hey, if I can afford it, right? I mean, if Nexa is in a point that I can afford to have like a $500-600 a month monthly bill for agent, I will do. But right now I'm in a point that I'm trying to reduce my expenses. I already do those stuff for 6 months. So for 6 months I paid every month about I can say sometimes $600-700 for AI. I'm not in that position anymore, so I should not waste money, and I have to be like, think it now as a business, because Nexa is launched, right? It's live. So I have 13 users. Thankfully we got one more user yesterday, so right now we are in 13 users. I mean, we sold the 30 version of Nexa and revenue is 637, and we are going in the right direction. So I have to now think it as a business, like how much Nexa making money, how much I can spend on it. I mean, spend on it, right? So, and my work is not like affecting, basically. Yes, I do have $200 pro account in Codex. How are you doing? And how about you, Yunap? Which project are you working? How are you doing, Mecca? How is your day? How was your day? Please guys, like, if you like now, YouTube will push our stream for more and more people. That gonna help us. Everyone in the chat, like 5 viewers, we got 2 likes. Let's make it 5 likes. So we get more viewer, more bigger community, and it's gonna help everyone. It's in the benefit of all of us, because we do have also Discord server, right? 207 member there. We're growing every day.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Good. Just ordering food. Okay, nice. Also take care of my baby. We'll be back shortly. Hope you're doing well. Thank you. Yeah, you have to take care of your baby. I'm doing great. I'm working on this version, and it visually, functionality, this version is significantly improved, as you see, everyone. So if I just open the side panel, and imagine if I open a new chat, right? So this is how Nexa will look like, the new chat. You see? It's how the new chat in Nexa looks like, so clean. No borders, nothing. It's kind of getting every single day better and better and cleaner. And even if I open, like, for example, another chat beside it, which is this one, right? Now it looks way more cleaner, as you see. Multiple chat. Even if I open another chat, as you see, if I open one more chat, this is how it looks. I hope today the internet doesn't play with me again, man. I hope internet be stable and work for me and doesn't kill my stream. That's what I am the most scared when I started streaming. That's when I'm the most scared, that send the message. Okay, here, this is another stuff that we have to do, which is gonna be, right now we have in the background, when we open without any chat, nothing, it shows for us, as you see, a start chat, and also it shows open shell. First of all, change the name of shell to terminal, and name it terminal. And also I want you to polish this a little bit more. And the second thing, this should be always visible in the background. For example, now user start one chat and this goes away. It should be there. So some user is locked in one project and they just click start chat. It should just, whatever project user is locked, it should open a new chat on that project. Okay, and yeah, this is all I have for this one, and I want you to properly polish, and the logo especially right now, it feels dry. It needs to be a little bit visible, and also ready. When you are ready to start the conversation or chat, those two texts, we do not need those. Also remove it. Keep the powered by rshai.dev. So this is how the new, I mean, not new, this is the more polished, improved version looks like, everyone. Compared to, this is the old version, not the old version, the one like that I'm working right now. This is how things looks. The chat, as you see, the chat has, in this version, the chat has properly borders and it's visible. And this version, it doesn't have that. Like, it's more cleaner, more less nice, basically. So if I, even if I choose the same color for both, so this is the same color for both, this is how it looks compared to each other. Welcome everyone. How are you doing, guys? Can you please help me? We need more like to grow the community, and also just give the stream a like, and it's gonna help a lot. I will try later to show the design and the idea I shared. Okay, but does Nexa know Nexa even for other users? For example, does Nexa knows about Nexa for all users? Like, what do you mean? You mean if other user ask Nexa about Nexa or something? You mean? Nexa knows about its environment. Basically, it knows about environment that it can use browser, it can use, for example, plan, path, and it knows that Nexa has agent orchestrator. So it's because if it doesn't know that, then it's gonna guess every time you send a prompt, right? And it's gonna waste your and user's token a lot, and it's gonna guess like start searching every single time you ask something. It start to search that, oh, is it available, right? So in Nexa, how it is that a clean roadmap, a clean pipeline that it has, that it doesn't need to do that. It knows that, okay, these are all providers I have it's available for me that I can use, and it knows that it has a browser. Can you quickly show me how that works? What that works? I didn't get it. How? What? It doesn't work anything. It doesn't have anything to work, right? If you mean like how it knows. For example, I send in the Discord as well this screenshot. I said that this is compared to T3 code, right? And I asked the same question from same model, which is GPT 5.6 Sol, both Nexa high and also here also high, right? I said why T3 code, like simple, clean, simple explanation, why not other ADE? So it's just giving me kind of a generic answer, and it went even searching on web and OpenAI documentation to answer like a generic. But in Nexa, it didn't do anything. I just asked why Nexa, and it says Nexa is for people want AI workspace, like not editor, right? And it says that the differences on the local workspace bring together Claude, Codex, Grok, Chemi. So Nexa knows that inside Nexa, Claude, Codex, Grok, Chemi is supported, and local models. It knows. And it knows that real project file editor, shell, git, and app to view. It knows that it's available inside Nexa. And it knows multiple parallel agent with project scope context, browser and desktop control, testing real workflow, which is browser use, and also local first, secret rules, chat, and project memory. So these are the things that agent inside Nexa knows how to use it. Basically, it didn't give how to say, like if you ask something, right? You have when you what I mean by this one, it doesn't guess. Basically, it's surrounding. It knows everything, like not everything, the one that it needed to know. So it knows that inside Nexa you can do what you can do, right? But for example, T3 code, the agent doesn't know. It has to go and search and see, and then come back with generic, more context, more awareness, basically. So if it answer your question, there is no any other thing that I can like basically show you about it. I should take a screenshot and ask for the design. I see. So I should take a screenshot and ask it for the design. Will share. Okay, that design that you yesterday you wanted to, like, you talked about it, but you didn't still send me, right? How that could work when you like made it, and then you can send for me. Okay, now this is now more cleaner. This is really nice. This is now nice. Now we have in the background, when you open first time Nexa, for example, it looks like this one, right? I wanted Nexa to quickly prototype it. Yes, okay. I wanted Nexa to quickly prototype it. Yes. Okay. Test it and see what will be the result. Why does everyone so many template project, and I see you are moving the same pace? It is ID and AI. Why does everyone do so many template project? For example, template project, can you be specific? For example, like, I didn't get your question. Maybe I'm slow. Because I see, so it's Codex and Cursor in the same app. Oh, as you see, Nexa is not, yeah, Nexa is not looking, I don't know, if you think about the same template of Codex and Cursor, Nexa is not the same way, basically. Yes, first of all, when you open, you may see the same left side workspace panel, right? But this is the kind of the reason I kept it like this, because a lot of people, including myself, I like this one, but it's very customizable. You can move it basically and put it on the right side, you can put it on the top side, you can put it on the bottom, right? It's customizable. It's not locked to the left side. And even if you want, you can just move it, like you can click on here, it's unlocked the sidebar. Now you can move the sidebar anywhere and resize it anywhere you want to put, and you can even maximize to manage your project properly. So for the sidebar, this is very customizable inside Nexa, but by default it's going to be here, because, and also the chat basically in Cloud, in Codex or in Cursor, you cannot do this kind of stuff. For example, this is your first chat, this is your second chat, this is your third chat, this is your fourth chat basically. In Cloud you can have 4 chat open, but in Nexa you can open more than that, and also it's customizable. Basically the layout, it's every chat is customizable, it has its own layout. You can set it however you want, and multiple provider in one clean, as you see, one clean chat. It has Codex, Cloud, Grok, Kimi, and also even custom agent like GLM or whatever you want to put, and also local models is supported in Nexa. This can be solved with one request to Fable. Yeah, maybe, but the whole workflow is not just about chat, right? So there is a lot of other stuff going on. Basically, Nexa has agentic orchestrator built inside. So what it does, if you have Cloud Code, Codex, Grok, Kimi in one single chat, right? The memory transfer between Codex, Cloud, Kimi in the same chat is like instant. You do not need to copy stuff. You start a conversation, for example, with Codex, right? And then you can continue. If the Codex doesn't solve that question, you switch to Grok, you switch to any other thing. And also local model is supported. You can have customized, like if you go to setting, in provider section, click on the customize. So here you can put any other API key. Basically, if you want any provider, click, you can add Open Router, Z, Moonshot, DeepSeek, right? And you can just have your custom provider as well inside Nexa. And also it has agent orchestrator. Basically, you can select Fable inside the same chat and ask it, okay, I want to, for example, use GPT or Soul or whatever, Grok, however provider you have available here, right? And you can ask it, use those as a sub agent, and you can just kind of more workflow, like Fable will manage all other smaller agents like Luna, etc. So cursor is cursors to customize custom provider. Someone is complaining that the cursor isn't customizable like your app. So in cursor you can add custom provider pro. Okay, so okay, what is your point? Basically, I didn't get your point. Like, you're here to tell me like the app that I built, it's not good, or what is your point? Can you be specific that I can answer you, right? But for cursor, then you have to go and I don't know like how that works or no, because I haven't used cursor myself. Maybe I tried one time. I have not used it like a regular like you guys. Everything you see in my app is basically the way I wanted to have a customizable workspace, right? So that's how I built it. And also in Nexa I added path. Basically, if you have like you have a chat, right? This is your chat, and then in Nexa you can open a path. If you sometime agent doesn't understand your intention basically, or your problem, or the things that you want to explain. So I build a path that here you can come and also draw your vision, right? And you can send directly from here to agent like this. And if you don't understand some stuff, agent can open and draw for you in the path. And also I built in a plan, which is agent dash targets plan, and you can see visibly what agent is doing, which part it's working. And also you can have your own area, like you have like your own task that you can, okay, this is your daily task, everything you listed, and then you start to fix it one by one, and once it's done and you test it, you can just, okay, this is done, you can move it. Then you can have like your task and track, a Codex task and track, not Codex agents, right? So this is more. And also in Nexa we do have, it's called, I built it that I can show you. So Nexa has built-in browser, which every other ADE has, but every other cannot basically perform browser use. In Nexa it does very smoothly, properly. And also agent inside Nexa, agent can create project for you, can open new thread for you, can manage, and basically if you ask it, it can manage other thread for you, it can manage other agent for you, and everything is like basically more customizable, more manageable. Okay, I get your app is similar to IDE but has customizable. Show me what can't be done with one prompt with Fable. With one prompt of Fable, a lot of things can't be done, right? I think with one prompt, if you look at how many days I put it on this app, today I'm on 203 days. Okay, I'm like in 203 days. Basically over 6 months I've been working on this one, daily 14 hours. I do not think that you can build something like Nexa in with one prompt. But hey, it's free. It has 3 days for free trial. You can go grab your own version. Just give it a shot. Maybe you change your opinion, because it's very hard to explain something until you yourself test it, right? Like if I try to explain every feature, the whole stream will be about that, and I cannot explain every feature because you have to see it in action, and I cannot show everything in action because it's gonna take like forever. So for you, link is in the description. Just go download. It has Windows and Mac version both, and it has 3 days for free trial, no credit card, nothing. Just download and test it. If you don't feel the difference, then come back and we can continue talking about, and you also can give me more suggestion that something that I can improve, for example, something I can make it better, something is that useless that I can remove it, right? What's up? Welcome TTC to the stream. Little bro seems like he never made anything till now. I don't know, but people think that you can build with Fable everything. That's crazy for me. Like it's very crazy for me. It is not like that. That you cannot build everything with prompting, man. You have to be here. You have to taste. You have to. Every feature you see me. I don't know if you are first time here or something. Every feature you see in Nexa, all of this took me. I can show you. Maybe you don't believe me. I can show you. Here is my folder, right? My screenshot folders. I have now. This is my 7th screenshot folder. Which, since I started, I'm taking a screenshot because AI is so dumb. Sometimes you have to be on top of it. You have to control it. If you look here, it took me 20,000 screenshots over 6 months. Every 8 minutes daily I took a screenshot to explain something is wrong, right? So by one prompt you cannot, or by a few prompts you cannot solve this. You have to multiple prompt for the smaller stuff sometime, which we all maybe experience. Even Fable cannot solve problems. So what I'm trying to say, I'm not trying to argue or anything. I'm trying to give you like a realistic, if you want to build something very serious, it's not one prompt. This chat alone, you see this one, the chat that I built, this one, right? This is the most and the hardest part of my whole building Nexa, because it is really hard that you can Cursor can do or Codex can do, because they are big company, they have billions of dollars, right? It's very not fair that you have to judge me and one alone guy against like billions of dollar company. But what I'm trying to say, that every single feature, every single stuff that you see in this chat, it is really hard to build. Basically, this is what I'm trying to tell you. But I can't understand why you are selling this for a subscription when available in Forex for $20 subscription. So you had your own model, I would understand, but you have paying for it. We should pay for it when we don't get same model, you know. Are you giving inbuilt desktop use in the browser use? The browser is, yes, it is available. You don't understand, I told you that in Codex, then you, yeah, if you wanna hack Codex, or you wanna like find a way that you can fit all other models inside Codex this desktop app, then yes. Otherwise, everyone cannot do that. It's not like everyone start to hacking or try to open Codex desktop app and put all the models they wanted, right? So everyone will not willing not to do that. And also, Codex is not customizable. So in Nexa is customizable, multiple chat, multiple providers, multiple CLI, and also project management, threat management, and agent mode. so many stuff that you can do. I think the best thing is that I'm gonna try to tell you that give it a shot. Give it a shot, try it. If it works, if it works, some people pay, some people paying for it. Like I have 13 people paid for me and they are here every single day and supporting me, right? So maybe for them it worked. They have tried it before. It's not that I sell before people try it. So people will go, they have like 7 days, even some people got 14 days, 3 days, 4 days, they tried and they decided to buy it, right? Yeah, if I had no trial, nothing, you could argue that okay, but people when they go and try and when they like use it, they like it, so people will pay for it. If you don't want to pay, there are a lot of people like you don't want to pay. That's a separate stuff, but there are people paying, right? So I think that shouldn't be an issue. Like there is now thousands of ADE exist, and why still people making, because everyone tries to solve one issue. So there is millions of people, everyone not have the same opinion as you and me. So that's I think the reason. I mean I mean giving tools all the models and the platform so they can use a desktop any browser. Yes, Nexa has computer use as well. Yes, and that it can run especially now it's available on Windows, so it's working. Yes. Hi, trying to install, but it show me the damage, but I cannot be installed on Mac Mini. It can be. If you go to my website, I'm gonna show you here. So if you go to my website, this is here. If you click read this one, read this step and zip it, open it has readme. Don't click on Nexa or anything, just open on readme and then don't double click, it says, you see, and then paste this one on terminal. That's what you have to do. Man, I also want to make it an all-in application where we can switch platform and model in a single chat. Yes, you have to try it, right? So that guy, Yunub said that it's a one prompt for Fable. So go and ask Fable to do for you. Just give it a prompt to say that make multiple agent in one chat and Fable will build for you. So that's the solution that Yunub is giving us the solution. Finally, stream W. Welcome Zico to the stream. What's up? You Zico, I think you deserve to be mod because I think you're so active. If you wanna be, let me know. Yeah? Okay. Then you are mod. I really like you have been active on next stream as well. You are mod there. You can be mod here, you know. Full-time job. So, hi FSD driver, welcome to the stream. Okay, for Thomas, have you tried if that version corrupted or anything, remove, re-download and follow this step, which is available on the website. Follow exact step and see if it installed. FSD, how are you, bro? Darius will infinite my house if I ask Fable to do it in one prompt. Like, okay, I'm not here to judge anyone, but it's crazy that people can think that you can build with Fable everything. It's not impossible. It's not possible. That especially one prompt thing is like, we all have been there and we tried. It is basically impossible. Anyway, let's not get disturbed. Let's back to work. So guys, here is the new update. As you see, this is the new look. This is gonna be rolled out, I hope today. That's what I hope. I'm working on that one to achieve it. So this is the most polished version and most improved version. There is 100+ features, bug fixes included on this one. there is 100 plus, like now the new look, the new UI, the new functionality. Now you can also customize, unlock the sidebar, and then you can put it anywhere you want, right? So this is also very, very useful, because sometimes you need more space. You just can have your smaller side button like this, and then you can put your chat here below of it, right? Like this one. And then there is now full space available for you. You can have your chat here below, and then you can have browser space for it. You can have plan for space. You can have path, all the space that you need here. Or you can have other chats, multiple projects, and you can manage from here. Basically simple. No, not gonna lie, I can really see the difference. It looks more professional now. Yeah, it looks, you see, this is the new one, and this is the old one. So you will see the difference if I put side by side, right? So this is how the new one looks compared to the old. Even if I put the same color, for example, if I use for both the same color, now you see they are in the same color, but you see the difference, the polish around the borders, around the panels, inside, outside, significantly improved. And also look guys, Dario is calling. And also guys, look, the new chat in Nexa improved significantly. This is the new chat. I can show you a showcase of it. I can ask it, hi, what was the prompt that I was giving it, this one? I have, I think in T3 code, maybe I have it, the prompt, because I was testing against T3 code today. So this was the prompt. Okay, I have one habit, guys. I compare my product with top tier product like T3 code, Codex. I'm not copying, I'm comparing. If something is, like for example, I'm lagging behind as a quality, right? Then what I do, I try to make that gap and fix it, even if it's in the look. So this is, I asked the same question from T3 code, and I said, okay, in T3 code chat, show me what you can do, typing chart in the chat, etc. Right? So this is said in T3 code, it can do this, it can do this, like this is the table, this is the div. So this is what it can do, like basically. So I'm asking the same question in Nexa. I'm gonna ask it, have the same color. Let's see. This is I'm trying like improve in every single way Nexa. Even its chat rendering, even its chat quality, how things should be when you're chatting with AI, and how the chat will render the stuff, right? So these are the things that I'm improving significantly every single day. I'm trying to do it basically. Welcome everyone. If you're new here, my name is Reza, and as you see, this one is my project. It's called the Nexa. It's an agentic coding super app that I built. I've been working on this one more than like 6 months. So this is the dev version, and this is the public version is also available. You can give it a shot. It has 3 free days trial, and see, maybe you like it. It's trying to build for me in HTML. Oh my god, sorry guys, I typed here T3 code. Have to cancel this one. I should have typed Nexa. Okay, let's try again. Hi. And Nexa. I don't know, guys, if you if you are following me from the beginning and the days that we had. So this is the chat. As you see, the response in the background, everything is now processing by Rust. So since I rewrote 75% of Nexa on Rust, right? It improved significantly. I'm not gonna lie, guys. Like sending message, especially the background, like when it reached to the agent, right? You see how fast it got? And in 4 seconds it's starting like replying me now, it's typing. Which is like improved a lot, this version. And also the new card is available when the agent is working. You click and you will see the new card and you will see every step of it. You see which command it's running, what it's doing, and what it's typing, which file available. A very nice and clean task card as well available right now. If you click, you will see it. This is also available and it's gonna help significantly. So I don't know why this is trying to, what they are trying to do. This could be an issue. Okay, it's not an issue, but okay, these are now the issue that I have to note. Okay, so here is the issue that I face right now. I don't know we fixed it, but right now in the dev version, the local dev version, I ask it, for example, in Nexa chat, well, show me what you can do, right? Like typing, whatever, a chart, etc. And it took like 2 minutes almost. Why? See what it caused, what we changed, and also why trying to adjusting the chart visualization or whatever is having issues. So see what is wrong and let's fix it. So the dev version has issue, unfortunately. Why did I click 2 times? Okay, good. And also, guys, if you are new here, welcome to the stream. If you want to have any, share your project or anything, we have like our Discord is also growing slowly. Here we are about 207 members, and if you're especially using Nexa, even if you don't use Nexa, still you can be a member, you can share your project here, right? So you can share your project and then you can communicate with members. If you're using Nexa, here is the area that you can report bugs. Like you see, our member does report the bugs and etc. And then I'm like fixing it. And also feature request, if you have some crazy idea which or some feature that you're missing inside Nexa which is not working properly or you need it, you can also give your feedback here, and then I'm trying to build it basically. So join our Discord, it's free. I'm launching my app today. Okay, nice. Which app you're launching today? What is your app? The one that you showed yesterday? Supermarkets. And also for this simple question, why did it edit file and which file is that? So these are the bug that we caused, maybe our last fixing or something, because it was not like that before. This is also like a key that I can share with you that I tried to edit file. That's why it took forever, right? To respond in the chat. Reproduction. Okay, nice.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one.
Welcome everyone. How are you guys doing? If you are new here, my name is Riza and this is agentic coding super app that I'm building, or I can call it workspace, whatever you call it, right? It's been 6 months I've been working on this one. Today I'm on day 203 basically. If you wanna try it, give it a shot. It has basically it has 4 days for free trial, and give it a shot. The support Mac, Windows, your own subscription, Cloud, Codex, Grok, Timmy, Open Code, all available there. We need 4 more subscribers until we hit 1180. Right now we are 1176. So if you want to be part of this beautiful community and everyone is so amazing here and support me in this journey, do a sub, good like. Praise God for that. Thank you for that, John. Welcome to the stream. How are you? You must show use case how that works, how help for health building. I'm trying, but see useful case. I just asking look nice site, but not understand how work with my account. Okay, let me show you. Let me show you. I'm gonna minimize this 2 version that I have. I'm gonna open the public version which you have, which is this one. So when you open first time, okay, be active in the chat, answer me quick, okay, if possible. So when you open first time and then you copy your code and you put it here, right? And you say click active, and then it's gonna show for you this one. You choose this machine and it's gonna open this workspace for you. This is how it will looks first time. Imagine you have no project, nothing. It looks like this one, no chat, nothing. This is exactly it's gonna look. Maybe the background is gonna be different color, but that we can fix it, right? So that's not an issue. Maybe it has this color. I don't know which color the background has. Maybe this like this. So now when you are here, first of all, do you have on your computer already, like, do you use Cloud Code, Codex? Which one do you use? Do you already have on your computer? Have you used it on any terminal or anything, your Cloud Code or any other AD before? Thomas, if you're in the chat, can you answer me like quickly that I be able to guide you? Cloud Codex connected. Work folder open. Okay, nice. So this is, you can click on the top right, and for in Mac version it shows setting. In Windows you click on the Nexa and then go to setting. When you go here, go to provider section. In provider section you will see if your account is connected. It shows Cloud Code connected, Codex connected, Grok connected, if connected. If not, you just sign in right on your account. You can use this terminal, you can use your own terminal for signing in. After you sign in, Then here, click on add project. If you don't want to add your real project, you want to test it, just click here and create a new project here. We're gonna name it like Tom's testing, right? Project. We give it a name and we click create, and it's gonna create for your project. This is gonna be your project. And then here you click on this plus and then click on the chat, open chat. This is how it open your chat, and then you will see your Claude, your Codex, your Grok. You choose and say hi, see if it works. Grok or all connected. Yeah, if all connected, then you should be fine. You just say hi, see if the chat works. Then in the same chat, if you want to switch your provider, you do not need, for example, you're working with Grok, then you want to try Codex, you want to try Plot in the same chat, you just can do this from here. Yes, working nice. Okay, great. And the top here is the browser. It's very, I don't add it, I did not add like others drop down etc. Like I added the stuff that you need, like the browser, it's here. You open, click, it's gonna open the browser for you. This is the editor. This is the plan. Here you can keep your own task, basically on track it. Like you can add create project for it and name it, and then you can basically track your task. What you need to do for the day, what you have done, and what your plan for after testing. You can add multiple projects and also tasks that you can track your task. And also this is the path. Here is the path is very useful stuff. If you have a vision, you wanna explain something for agent. Okay, I want the dashboard be like this. Here the stuff should be. You can basically you can do everything of it, right? And then you can directly send to the agent from here. Okay, now Nexa is trying to use Nexa's computer. Let's see what it's gonna do. No, don't open this one. Open the local dev version. Yes, working nice. Okay, great, it's working. Everyone else, if you want to try it, it has 4 days for free try. Just give it a shot. Maybe you like it. If you're already using like Plot, Codex, whatever account you have, right? And currently we have 13 paid users, and also we have 100. Let me give you exact number from the admin dashboard. And we have 101 free users basically. So I'm gonna show you. As you see, guys, here so total we have 114 users, and 113 are paid users. So not 113, I mean 13 people are paid users and 101 are free users. So you can give it a shot, test it, try it, maybe you like it. Light Swastik, welcome to the stream. How are you doing? Welcome. I'm good. I'm doing great. I'm here. Some people coming trolling me. I'm ready for everything here. Bro, can I create a multiplayer game with plot code? Yes, you can do. I'm not like on that kind of stuff. I don't know how you can do it. Some people I heard that using Unreal Engine, I think, and also if you want to build like simple multiplayer game, it's easy, right? So you just use, it's gonna build for you on one HTML file or something like that. I think, I don't know about it, but that's how other people does. But simpler game is you can build like based on browser, it does support. But if you have like a complicated game, then I think it needs Real Engine. So that's a little bit tough and complicated, I think. But yes, you can build it. I think Max, if you guys know Max Blade, he's also one of the great guy. I got inspired from him. I got inspired from Bridgemind, right? So he, I think, built one game called King Kong or something, or Kong of Duty, whatever, right? Something like that. So I think he built it on the browser, so you can also build it. Okay, it got fixed. As you see, guys, the rendering now working properly. This is amazing. Nice. 17 people, damn. Welcome, Chris, to the stream. Yeah, we had a great run yesterday, but unfortunately, internet killed my stream. We were up to 21 people, I think. And then the internet killed my stream. And I'm like, thank you, internet, for helping me and to grow on live stream. So and thank you guys, everyone. Thank you, 18 people, all of you that joined here. It means a lot for me, especially that with this bad internet that I have, and you're here every single day supporting me. I really appreciate it. Thank you, everyone. And Nexa is also getting super clean. Chris, if you see this, the new version, this one, the dev version right now. Look at this now. Let me stop the computer use of Nexa. This is how it looks. And look at the chat quality improved significantly. Now a clean table that you can expand the table like this one if you need, and you can copy the table. You can have a flow diagram which agent can draw in chat for you. You can have all of other technical whatever you need, right, in the chat basically. And also, if you click on any panel that you have, you can make completely full. Look, it turned the whole Nexa to the full chat. But if you have, for example, the browser, you open the browser and then you click on full. Now the browser is a full browser for you inside Nexa, which is super nice. So this is how it looks. If you have like path, you can dock into the workspace. You can have plan, same, you can dock in the workspace, and you can use the organize, make things the way you want. Like you can click organize it, right, the way you want. And also now you can replace your chat. If you want your chat to be here, you can do with this one, you can do with this one, right? Everything works so nice and clean. And also you can also, from right now, you can unlock your sidebar as well. You click, it's gonna be unlocked. Now you can move your sidebar as well, like your panel. And also now you can do this. expand it basically. If you need sometime you need like to work on it, you can do that. And a lot of other improvement in performance and everything, which I'm super happy and excited about this version, which will be out for you guys, and you can give it a shot and let me know like how does it feel. Honestly, I'm super excited about this version.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone,
Guys, I have one question. In my stream, the text that says try Nexa 3 days for free, is this visible for everyone, like, or I should move it a little bit higher? Maybe here? Okay, this is also amazingly up higher. Okay, I'm gonna move it a little bit higher. How does look the new look the new look of it? And also, do you notice around the border of panels, like if I make everything a little bit more another color visible, do you see now around the corners the chat? And also this chat is gonna be available from now on. This background chat and background logo with the terminal and chat, like it's gonna be available whatever project you are focused on. You click on chat, it's gonna open a chat on that project. So that's the thing that some user asked me, that this should be always available. If you want to open, you can open. Create template for design. Create template for design, basic for Nexa, you mean? Yeah, that's some feature that I have right now in mind, right? Those are the things that after this version, which is gonna be out, because this is the version that I rewrote 75% of it on Rust, basically. So this one improved significantly. Its chat got more stable, and also other than that, I ran 63 finding of reports and bugs and improvement. Yesterday I did it. A few days ago I did on this version 6 more cases that Jet found for me and AG found for me. We did it. So it improved significantly the design. Yes, so you have a black background and you can have a blue design on whatever you toggle. Create a template for design. So yeah, you can have a black background. You mean the black background for chat, and then for which part should be different colors? Okay, these toggles, you mean? Okay, this can be done with ascend, right? So now you can change the ascend. It will change it. It's not gonna change all of it, but it's gonna changing like it's gonna change this, like it's gonna change this one. The ascent I think should change also, should change the send button as well, right? Yeah, I will definitely take just add background image, customize it. Yeah, you can have your own background image, right? And then you can customize basically this. You're saying this one? I will explain. Okay, okay. Then when we talk, then explain for me. When we talk, explain for me. The glass also improves significantly. Right now, guys, if you're using Nexa, for example, the current version you have, it doesn't have this ability. But in this one, now you can completely make this one. What is it called in English? Solution. What is this? You can save that template so you can have multiple custom template per save. Okay, okay. Okay, when we talk, explain for me better. Like I one of the reason that I'm like always asking until I'm not sure, I need to know properly. Even anything you saw that I built in Nexa, right? I had to know your idea with the shape. This one I had to know first. I also improved the. I know you don't like it maybe, but some people like the light mode, so I improved significantly the light mode as well. If someone like the light mode, they have also color options now. This is also available. Imagine you have car. You click save template, and then you do the beach background. Click save template. Now you have two templates per save. Okay, okay. Okay, okay, I got you. Okay, okay, I got you. Like in the appearance, you need to have. I need to have like a save button. Like you adjust your stuff here, and then there is template. You click save it basically, and next time you can reload it. You can have like multiple templates. Okay, okay, I got you. Okay, let me do that now. Let me just build because I may forgot it. I may forget. The template should be here. The button should be in top, and then user click. It should be like a drop down stuff, and it's gonna be visible. Okay, let me do this one. Let me do first this one a mockup. Okay, I took a screenshot. Now I go here. I open Nexa path. I put it here, and then I'm gonna design my own version. So here in the top should be template basically. Okay. Um, Okay, here is my vision regarding we need to add a template, like we need to allow user that they are going in our appearance, right? In the setting and the appearance setting in Nexa. I'm saying our, let me do again. As you see right now, we do have appearance in Nexa. So user click and they are like selecting for themselves for panel, for background, essence, so all of it. But they cannot save it. So maybe they will save sometimes. Some people maybe save multiple, like up to 5 template. We allow it because we do not make it like unlimited. So up to 5 template user can save for themselves, and the template should be on top of everything on our appearance card, like a clean button, and then user click, that will open a drop down. So on that drop down shows save, and also below shows loaded save template, something like that. Nice food. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it, Mika. I hope you enjoyed it. I haven't eaten dinner yet, guys. I haven't eaten dinner yet. For me, it's 9 p.m. I haven't eaten it yet. So. Ishak, welcome to the stream. I'm building, it's called Nexa. The app that I built, it's called the Nexa. It's an agentic coding super app. I've been working on this one more than 6 months. So today is 203. It's been 203 days that I've been working on this one. And this is available. You can give it a shot, you can try it. It has 3-4 days for free trial, basically. This is what I am building. Some people call it ADE, but it's not an ADE, it's more than that. It's a super app. Because here you can do, it has agent mode, it has media, it has agent mode, media, computer, code, multiple agent, orchestrator system, browser use, computer use. Agent can do a lot of stuff on your whatever basically you like. With your workflow, create project for you, create for you, give other agent assignments, all of it. You're just starting work. Wow, that's cool. Thank you, thank you. This is how it looks. This is the browser. It's browser. You can open, close it. This is its chat, and here you can choose multiple provider: Cloud, Codex, Broad, Kimi, custom providers, local model. This is its project and thread management. You can have multiple projects, and each project will show its own thread. And you can delete like this your thread if you don't like to be on the, if you don't need it. You can minimize, basically you can collapse and fold threads like this one, and also you can reposition your projects like this one, as I do. Same you can do with your thread. You can archive it and you can undo that. and you can rename it. And also for your project, you can click on setting. You can here you see upload logo. Click logo. You can upload logo if you want for your project. For example, I go here. I find logo. Where did I put it? I don't know where did I put that crap logo, but hey, you can upload logo if you want on your projects. It's more customizable basically. Look, first of all, we're not gonna try to make completely a new big template. We have a drop down card on our appearance and also in our general setting area. We just add a new basically button. We click and then it will like have a little drop down, kind of expand. It's going to expand that section, and there should be save and should be name the template and save. And next time the saved template, you just go and click and load it. You do not need to make it complicated stuff. That's how you have to keep the agent in control. If you tell it, oh, go do this, you have to figure it out. No, don't do that. It's gonna do stupid stuff. Waste your time, your token. When you see that it's not doing what you want it to do, right? You have to stop it there and like give the instruction that no, you have to do this. Don't do that, right? Oh, Kalin, welcome to the stream. How are you? Congratulations on your Nexa. Basically, yesterday you made me happy. Thank you, guys. Kalin is the 13th users that got Nexa, so he's in the chat. And thank you. We need, guys, 3 more subscribers, then we're gonna hit 1180. If you haven't liked the video, give it a like. The stream, I mean, wanna support like smaller white collar like me based on community subscriber, right? But we wanna be part of it, earlier supporters, so can give it small subscriber and like to the stream, and also subscribe to the channel, and I thank you so much. No problem, that is good. What are you doing right now? I have been working on a lot of stuff basically. Now I am like I kind of in a position it's hard for me to explain how much I improved Nexa. this version. Now you see yourself how much the chat got cleaner and improved. You can see it. The UI got improved. The functionality got improved. Now, if I ask it, I want you run to Luna 5.6 to Composer 2.5 and ask it check my computer memory wastage. Which apps we can close safely. Ask all for self-question. So as you see that when now I'm in typing, I'm like sending message to agent, right? Two things you may notice. First of all, the message is now moving all the way to the top, more cleaner way. And the second thing you may notice, the agent start replaying so fast. Why? Because the Rust in the background is doing its job. The third thing you may notice, the task card got cleaner. You click, now you see the task card here. If you want to see what it's exactly doing and you want to see every step. Otherwise, this is how it looks. And now the agent and workflow is merged. Before it was saying sub agent workflow. Now it says workflow and it says core agent is running. Then you can click and now even these are improved. As you see now the sub agent is improved. And you can click and then you can go back. You check each one what they are doing, you see? This is how much it improved. And the look, like everything, basically, significantly improved a lot. As you see, this is GPT 5.6 Soul. Agent Orchestrator also got so much improved. And without any issue, they launched Composer 2.5 to Composer 2.5 and to Luna. Because I have Grok account and also I have Grok account and Codex, right? That's why it can use Composer, it can use, okay, now that Luna is done, report it, and report the activity is gonna be hide. You can click, you can see it if you want. Like this. And a lot of improvement now, the chat, look around the borders. And also before you could have a chat, right? And now you see this one here. If I move this one here, look. Now moving your mouse, no jumpy, you don't see jumpy project, nothing. Everything's stable. And now I just add, instead of that new, this is icon for chat. Before it was saying new. And also the setting is visible. Before it was not visible. Now the project setting is visible, which you can click like this. And you can also open your file explorer. And you can upload logo, you can rename, and you can remove like this one from the workspace clean. No flashing, nothing. Before it was like flashing, right? No, the update is not live. It's still working. It's gonna be out. I'm so excited about this update. I'm so excited. I think I'm gonna raise the price to $99 today. $49 is very cheap for Nexa. I'm just kidding guys, kidding. So this is how it's gonna look. And then if you click here, open a new chat, also got cleaner, right? Before it was like so much stuff going on. Now you have to click to be able to see the card for the thread, otherwise it's not visible moving your mouse or anything. What do you think, guys? Should I increase the price to $99, or we should keep it at $49? Okay, CLI terminal. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding, Miko. I'm just kidding. I'm not increasing the price. I was just because I was joking with Kalin because he bought it yesterday, right? That's why I'm like, oh, this version is so cleaner, so I can raise the price. I'm not gonna raise it. It has leather, so until like we go here, it's still 36 36 people spot is still available. So once it's done fully, then it's gonna go automatically to 99. Then after that, it's gonna go to 149. So we're not gonna raise it. Okay, you see now the new chat, the output, everything got so much cleaner. You see, Chris, the new template? I think if you're in the chat or you're gone. This is how it looks. Now, Nexa computer is verifying like if it's like taking it.
Take me in the smoke, breathe me in and let me go. Sink to your heart to find you. Open up your eyes till you're blinded by the lies, so you can see what you do. Restless every time we start locking eyes. Lost control.
Okay, click here. Now you see template, guys. You click, you name it test one. I will be back, guys. I will be back. I need to go to restroom.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move.
Okay, we are back. Let me test myself. So we name it test one. I'm gonna save it. Okay, it did save like this. So I can, now I change the colors to this one, background to this one. I'm gonna click this two. I'm gonna save it. Okay, let's click. Okay, you see guys, it's working. So now you can have a template if you want. So it's working very, very nicely. Nice. Okay, great job. So this is what we are gonna make. Okay, great job. This is what we are gonna do next thing. The way we did polish and we made our like chat panel, everything, it had like kind of border, right? So I want you for the top, center and left header that we have, each part also has like kind of a little bit visible border. So I want to completely fix that one as well, to have not a separate or extra like visible borders, the way that our chat has now, like browser or any other panel has. Pixiko, welcome to the stream. Bro, your website is scam? Why? It's a scam. What happened? I download for 3 days free, but I can't use it. Why you cannot use it? What happened? What it says? Can you go to our Discord, join Discord, and go to bug report and send me a screenshot what it says. I will fix for you. Don't worry, it's not scam. You haven't paid me, right? So since you haven't paid me, you cannot call it a scam. There could be a bug, because before you there is our user Thomas downloaded it, and he it was working. So just send me a screenshot what it says. Okay, sorry brother, it's fixed. I saw 3 days. It closed 3 days ago. For you, it shows it closed. Can you send me a screenshot, because that shouldn't be the issue. When did you register? Go to Discord, DM me, send me your email. I will give you your 3 days. No problem. Don't worry. It is fixed. Okay, if it's fixed, okay. If not, in the Discord, DM me. I'm gonna send your email. I'm gonna fix it for you. Don't worry. Welcome everyone. Welcome. If you want to also give a shot to Nexa, it has 3-4 days trial. free trial. This is an agentic coding workspace that I built, as you see this one. This is the new update, which is gonna drop maximum by tomorrow. I hope today I'll be able to finish and send it. If not, tomorrow 100% it's gonna be done, hopefully. Finger crossed, you know. Then the new update will be dropped. So before that, the version that we have is very good. Can give it a shot, try it. Multiple provider, Codex, Cloud, Grok, Timmy. You can use it and see, maybe you like it, maybe you don't like it. We close that one. No need in video overlay 300 background.
Empty hearts and neon lights. They're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone. Just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh.
You see Nexa computer using verifying its work, this one. I told it that this needs to be polished the same as this one. Now it did fix. Now in the computer you will see that which area it's looking at. It zoomed in exactly to this point and it's verifying this work. Like, oh, did I do good job? Did I do right? Did I do wrong? Is it fixed? Visually it's verifying basically its work. This is how it looked before. It had a round of it borders. You see guys? Kind of like visible borders. So this is how it looked before, and the new one doesn't have borders anymore. And it looks like clean, like the same as chat. You see that the old one has around the chat borders, but the new one, the new chat, this is the new chat. Around of it does not have any borders. It's very minimal, even for the side panel. So these are a lot of improvement, that more premium. The goal is to have one of the best, cleanest, fastest, most customizable agentic coding workspace. That's the goal basically. If I could afford, for example, if I had some community, like there are some open source community, bigger community that's supporting, right, a creator or something. If I had that kind of support, I would make Nexa completely free for everyone. I wish I could do that. because my goal is not only to make money. um, it's like you build something that a lot of people use it, right? That itself is like a huge um, accomplishment, I think, and I wish I could do that. That would be so awesome. Because I saw yesterday, Theo, he tweeted, it was yesterday or the day before yesterday, I think, that T3 code crossed 200,000 users. 200,000 users. Think about it, guys. 200,000 users. If we could, if I could make Nexa completely free for everyone, maybe we could grow so much faster. Now we would be at least, I think, plus thousands of users. We could have easily. Since when we started, why? Because in Nexa we have 900 download only, which is a lot. Okay, good. Now one thing you have to check for resizing. When I do resize and I have a panel, right? So however I set it, it does not respect that. Sometime when I resize, the panel inside is just kind of changing. Basically, how to explain for you is that, like I said, a panel in a shape or a way that I want. Whenever I resize Nexa workspace, it should respect that. Even it will like kind of resize itself, the panel as well, but it should not change its behavior, if you get my point. And right now, that's the issue. Sometimes I see that when I do resize, I have like two panel, or sometimes one panel change. It is like, because imagine I have two chat. One chat is a smaller panel, one chat is a little bit larger panel. When I do resize, they both like kind of looking at the same after resize. It should not happen. It should respect however I set it. So check, see how we can improve that. Andres, yo, what's up? What's up? Welcome to the stream. How are you? Are you happy with how it is going so far? Yes, I am super happy. Even with my shitty internet, excuse my language, but I'm super happy with how the stream is going on, how community in Discord. You see right now, we grow in Discord so much. Now we are 208 members in Discord. And people, it's not very active, but we are starting like to being a little bit active, right? Which is, I'm super happy. The Discord is also growing, channel is also growing. The channel we got, I'm gonna show you everyone. Okay, let me refresh. Yes, you see 1,178 people subscribe. Since we started live streaming, we gained about 172 people, which is amazing. It's super amazing. And also the view with stream is also an amazing achievement itself, which I can show you guys here. If I go to content, then I go to live. Even yesterday, unfortunately, you see guys, yesterday I tried 3 times streaming. Like this is day 23, day 23, day 23. All those 3 times, my internet killed my stream, unfortunately. As you see right now, my yesterday we had such a great momentum. In just 2 hours and 23 minutes we gained about 300 viewer, and then the second time 1 hour 94. The third time we tried almost 2 hour 100, and this is for today, which is more than this, but we can check. Yeah, we have about 166 viewers for today alone, which is I'm super happy about it. And we're growing. I'm happy. The only issue I have is internet, which I hope when I be able to afford it, I'm gonna get one Starlink before when I, for example, when I go to Dubai, I have good internet. But when I come back, then that's gonna be issue. I cannot be like, okay, I just stream from Dubai, right? Cannot do that. It's like if you don't stream, you're gonna lose viewer, users, a lot of stuff will happen. So that's what I'm trying to do. That happen. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. Even I try like three times a day. So just try to stream.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.
Dang, nice. Thank you, Dendris. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands.
Welcome everyone to the stream. Thank you for joining. Right now, if you're like wondering what this guy is doing, if you're new here, my name is Riza, and this is agentic coding workspace that I built. It's called Nexa. So right now this is Nexa, which is my version building Nexa, right? This is the dev version. So I'm using Nexa, building Nexa basically, dogfooding itself. I have been this version, you see guys, this is like the latest version. It's gonna be out maximum by tomorrow. Hopefully I'll be able to finish it today, because right now there's a lot of tasks and checking that I do. It's gonna be out, but you can try it. If you wanna try it, has 3 days, 4 days. It's gonna give you 4 days free trial. If you use your own chat, if you have ChatGPT account, Codex account, I mean Cloud account, Grok account, you can use it. Open code. Open code, you have to use it through CLI, but the rest you can use with the same chat as you see here. Kimi account has browser, built-in computer use, a lot of stuff. Path, plan. It's very customizable. You can literally have the way you want your workspace to be. You can move it this one, you can move it here. Top. Collapse it. Have multiple chat. You can open another chat. You can open, if you need more chat, you can open more chat. You can resize it. It's very customizable. And it has Windows and Mac version as well, both. Hi, I'm new here. What is this project? Yeah, I explained it, right? This is called the Nexa. As agentic coding workspace, this is my project. I hope you got the answer. Clip. And what are you building, guys? What is your project? Which project are you working on? If you have built any project you want me to check, you can go to join our Discord, share here in the project section. Then I can check it, community can check it, we check each other's project. And Nexa also does computer use, as you see right now. When it's building, because I turn on its computer use, like it's verifying its work as well. Like right now, as you see, this one has opened an Nexa computer use, and now it's testing its work, like the task that it, excuse me, the task that it had, like testing, verifying its work. Guys, we need 2 more subscribers. We're gonna hit our 1180. If you're new here, please give it a sub to the channel if you like it. We need 2 more people. We're gonna be 1180. It's gonna make us, every single subscriber means a lot to me. So it like taking us like closer to 1200. And the next step is gonna be 13, 14, 15, 2K. So that helps a lot. Oh, nice. Thank you everyone. You see, now we are 1180 exactly. Thank you everyone. Thank you. It means a lot. Thank you so much.
Invincible.
Okay, it looks like it's done. Let me test myself. Okay, this is how the final looks. So I open another chat. I'm gonna make this one this much, so like this one, I'm gonna put it here, size it. Now I'm gonna do resize. Okay. Okay, I know now the issue. Okay, let me completely open a new thread for this one. Fresh context. Okay, here is one thing we have to do with the current version that we have, right? Which is everything is working properly. I want to first of all launch that local dev version for me. And the second thing that we have to work on it, resizing issue that it has. The issue is that it has, because now we limited exactly the chat, that you cannot, for example, reduce your chat size more than this. So that caused a little bit issue, and we need to find a solution that makes that step like seamless. If I resize inside that dev version that we have in a panel, it, because there are limitations for like chat and other browser etc inside Nexa, that makes it to feel jumpy and also not smooth resizing, right? So I want you to find a solution for it, that when something is like hitting to its maximum limitation that it has, like panel is like cannot do more than that, smaller or resize it, changing its position during organization should be very smooth. Should not feel jumpy, should not feel like crazy flashing or anything else. So check that one and see how we can improve it. I don't know what this prom went, guys, but this prom was a little bit more it went like a little bit longer than I wanted. Use local dev version. We are working on local dev version, remember. What's up, Ray? Welcome to the stream. Early gang, welcome. How are you doing? Bubas, welcome to the stream. Welcome. So we get Open Router API for all models? No. You can use your own API key, not API key, your own Cloud Codex Grok subscription. And also, I built a new feature inside Nexa. The new version will have it. Doesn't right now you guys have that one, will not have it. But you go to setting in the new version, you go to providers, as you see here, and then you scroll down in provider section. You will see here it will say custom, and then you click on custom. You will see here that you can add custom providers. You click on custom providers, you choose your providers like Zcode, Open Router, whatever, right? DeepSeek, and then you choose one of those, and then you put your API key and scan it. It will show all the modules available, and then you can basically choose which model you want it to be available, etc. This is like another extra option that it has. Once you are done, then you come back here in custom area. If you click on custom area, right now it's on the task, but I can show you, like if I open a new chat, if I go here in custom, now it shows for me ZGLM 5.3. Why? Because I added that one through API key as well. So you can use for Cloud Codex Grok Chemi, you use your own subscription that you already have, but for the rest you have to use through API, which Nexa does support. Like OpenCode. In OpenCode you have to put your own API key. In Nexa also you have to put your own API key. Those are not here. But for Cloud Codex Grok Chemi, you use your own subscription. You do not need anything extra. Ray, welcome to the stream. That looks like a cool app. Thank you so much. I've been working on this more than 6 months. Today I'm in 203rd days basically. Mimi, where were you, bro? Welcome to the stream. I hope you're doing great and I hope you're fine. Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Good to see you. We are cooking, Mimi. See the new look. see this one? This is gonna be in the new update. You're gonna have it. Look at the look at the UI polish as well we did, right? Around the border of the chat, panels, headers, I mean nav on the top, headers, everything. UI wise got a lot of improvement. Backend, 75% of this version, guys, when you get it, it's gonna be rewrote on Rust that I rewrote it in like 4 days. It took me 4 days to do it. Took me 4 days to do it. 75% of it in Rust. What's Pro doing? Yes, it looks awesome and clean. Yes. Especially if you have like, I have like an OLED monitor, right? I have OLED monitor, I have OLED LG with glass 4K monitor. It looks so different. If you look at like, if you have like an OLED monitor, like a high quality monitor, even it's so clean. Yo, Yusuf, welcome to the stream. Welcome. Good to see you, man. Good to see you. How was your stream today? How was it? I have been there like for quite time, and then I had to work on this one. Then I had to start the streaming. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Welcome. How are you doing? Right now, as you see, guys, if you don't know, Nexa has computer use, right? So this is also Nexa, this one, which I'm building Nexa with it. So Nexa does computer use, as you see, it's verifying its work. So it's testing. I'm doing nothing, right? I gave it a task, it's fixing and it's testing. I'm like sitting here. So I'm like looking, nice job. Slower than usual, maybe because it's it's Saturday. Yes, Saturday. And also your stream is a little bit earlier. My audience are from US. I have I think 23 to 24% audience are from US alone. That's why I do a stream later. Look, if I go to my YouTube, by the way, we crossed 1,180, which I'm super grateful. Thank you, everyone. We need 20 more people to be on 1,200. So if you're new here, so if you go to content, go to analytics, and I go to audience, scroll down, you will see that my audience now it's 22 to 23% are from the US. 8% from India, 8.5%, and then from Germany, from United Kingdom, from Canada. That's why I stream a little bit late. It's okay. I had Mimi to keep me. Mimi is so good. He's really good guy. Thank you, Mimi. Congrats. Thank you so much, Yusuf. Thank you. One day, we might be celebrating 2000, and then we might celebrate like 3K, 4K, 5K, 10K. You never know. But I have to keep doing it. You have to keep pushing it. You should not like stop. Keep the momentum. Let me check while we wait for the AI to do the work for us. Yes. That's what basically we're doing, right? It got so much noise. Look at this, guys. Look at this. I don't know. You don't see the poll because streaming is, I think, 60 FPS or something. You do not see the full smoothness of it, if I say so. It got so much smoother, faster, lighter. It feels light, so much light. This is the only area it lag a little bit because there's a lot of things need to be rendered. So we are not like, when we do work, we are not doing like this, right? When we work, even if we resize, we like resizing it, so it's gonna adjust itself. That's not like a huge deal. Okay, good job. The resize inside Nexa panel, each and every resize is amazing. I'm super happy with the result. The only thing that holding us back when we try to do from outside resizing, and I know the reason. I think I found the reason. You didn't find, I found it. Why? Inside Nexa, we do have like that sticky, right? Sticky lines that when we try to align, and then there is a line dot that they are trying to make Nexa align in panel to be look cleaner, like more aligned, right? That is the thing. When we do resize from outside, I think that because inside panel also there is all multiple panels, they are trying to adjust itself, and that line is holding. So disable, make it like from when we user doing resize from outside panel, from outside of Nexa, these lines that we have, which is like a sticky line, that it align all the like top right of any panels, disable that one, and during resizing from outside that should be disabled. Then we will get that smoothness. This is the reason I think I found it. Yeah, inshallah. Yeah, inshallah. One day. Okay, I think I found the reason, guys. I think I found, because see, when you do resize from outside, it try to like, see, align itself. Why? Because there is this line. You see this line? If I move, there is, you can see a dot live. So this one try to keep everything aligned. So when I use only one panel, it doesn't have that, so it feels smooth. But when it's multiple panels, and this line is like causing the issue, causing the resizing issue, it try to keep everything aligned. I think that's the reason I found it, and I told it. Your manual testing isolated remaining fault router, Windows router, and removing alignments, nothing, only during that part. Yes, that could be fixed the issue. So I can use my codec SAP, but how use Claude? I need SAP there. This could be in, yes, you don't need to like have multiple subscription. If you have, like, there are people has multiple subscription, like they are working with Claude, Codex, Grok. If you're just using codecs, you can just use codecs inside Nexa. You do not have to use all of it, right? It depends on you. If you go to settings in provider section, here choose cloud, codecs, open code, grok, Kimi. So this is your custom, which I'm connected on z.ai coding, which is GLM 5.3. And here, Kimi, here you can just have only one. You can just, if you're just using cloud, you can use only cloud. If you're using only codecs, you can use only codecs inside Nexa. But if you have multiple providers, you can use that as well. So like, it's not like you have to use, if you get my point. It's not mandatory that you have to use multiple providers inside Nexa. Guys, if you wanna try Nexa, this one, agentic coding workspace that I built, it's free. It has 4 days for free. You can just give it a shot, try it. It has Mac and Windows both. So give it a shot and test. Maybe you like it. If you like it, it's just $49 lifetime payment. If you don't like it, just ignore it completely. No credit card, nothing. So okay. This is much better. Okay, nice. This got so much cleaner now. So I can tell you, for me it's 100% male. I guess girl don't like me. Nice. No, it's not. For me, it's also like, I think it's 97% are male. So usually, maybe the male population are more than females, and they are not vibing with male. Maybe that's why they are not looking. Usually boys vibing with boys. That could be the reason. For me, same, 98.9%, basically 99%. So don't worry. Indian 50%, US 50%, not enough data for more. Okay, you will get data more after a few, like I think maybe a little bit more time. Okay.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted.
You see now, I found the issue, Yusuf, Mimi. That was the issue. Now you see this, it got smooth. That was the issue. That was the issue. Good, good, good. That's also fixed, which I'm super happy about it.
Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling.
Yeah, many things have been updated and fixed this version. This version is gonna be, I think this is one of the biggest update that I have pushed yet. That's how this is like completely different feeling. Yeah, this looks so clean. I wonder if I can occupy multiple screens, just an idea, not sure if it works to effort. Yeah, occupy multiple screen, yeah. Right now it cannot do, but we might be able to do, we might be able to add it later, that we can have it that automatically, you know, expand on if you have like multiple monitors. How does SSH work? Yeah, SSH, since it has browser in it, if you make it multiple screen up, then I almost act like OS. Yeah, that would be cool. And also Yusuf and Mimi, you were not here, but I explained for Mika and I think Chris was here. Now, the new one of the new thing that improved on Nexa, you see. Okay, I'm gonna show you first the old one. So this is the old one, right? No, this is not the old one. This is the new one. I mean, not the new one, the newer one. So basically, the newer one has the new update. First of all, the chat will respect. You cannot make it like squeeze, make it smaller, because that act would break all of this one. Your effort, your model, everything, right? So now the chat is just, this is all the minimum that you can make it smaller. Why? Because it keeps everything aligned, right? Everything will be reachable and visible. If you, before you could do a little bit more, that would break everything. So this is one improvement. Another improvement, biggest thing that added, before you could maximize any panel like chat, like browser, it would maximize only in this area, only here. If I show you to the one that you guys have, this version, right? This is your version you have, guys. So imagine I want to maximize my chat. If I click, it just doing this much only, and your panel, everything still would be visible. Now if you click on maximize full screen your chat, it's gonna maximize completely. Even the header's gonna hide, the bottom, everything is gonna hide. So this is how it looks now. And this behavior works with every panel. You can do this now with the browser. Now this is acting like a full browser. You think like you're using a browser, but it's inside Nexa. Like open Google. You can open Google here, right? You can open YouTube. And it's inside Nexa basically. If it's loading slow, all the stuff is my end issue. My internet is very bad, so it's not about Nexa. So this side is open, Google is open, YouTube is open. Let's test how much resources it's using now. Look, this is the Nexa, this one, this is the one with Electron, right? Look, my Chrome, I have YouTube open with one ChatGPT, and my website, it use 2.3 GB. Inside, which is this one, inside Nexa, YouTube is also open. Google, all those paths with chat, with all of other stuff that Nexa has, it use 1.2 GB of your RAM. So if I close browser, you will see a lot of difference. Now this will drop. Now it dropped. So these are the new feature that has been added properly and very nicely. I don't know if let me see if it play YouTube video, youtube.com. It's set. If we can find Reza Nexa. Yes, it's we find ourselves. So let's play the stream if it does play. See guys, it plays the stream as well inside Nexa, and you can work like full HD. You can watch yourself. So this is so cool. Okay, this is very it improved a lot. Awesome. I think at the end of the game of Nexa is OS, like in a few years, it could be, yeah, it could be a Nexa OS. That would be nice and cool, right? The SSH, you asked me how it works. The SSH is if you have VPS, if you have server, like imagine you have server or VPS, you want to control and build or maintain your server. So you click on SSH here, and then you choose from local to SSH. And then here you click, it says add server. Click. Here you enter your root details and your password, and you connect. And now it will connect to that server or VPS that you have, or even if you have your computer in another country, it connected to the internet and it's open, and it's then you create for it like a local SSH, and you create for it. I think that's how it works. I'm not sure, but I'm trying to explain. Then you create for it an SSH connection, password, everything, right? That will work as a server. If you go to another country, you open your computer through this, and inside Nexa, an agent will access to that computer. Basically, it can do stuff for you. Like you say, open my computer, open this, close this, do that. Like, or you're maintaining your I think that's how it works. I'm not really sure, but you can also ask an agent for this one. But there is a search for other stuff which I explained, which is VPS and your server in Nexa. I know that, and you can connect it and you can use it. Man, look at this. How it feel like nicer, smooth. Since I found that bag, now it feels so light when I do resize. Look. That's so much nicer. This one as a default. So in appearance, I wanted to make this one as a default, this setting, except that custom background which I removed it originally, but the rest of setting that I set it for you by default, that should be Nexa's template. I mean appearance, exact setting that I gave you. This should be the default when first time user download Nexa. They will get this exactly same background, same panel colors, same settings for their blur, paint, darkness, brightness, dim, everything. Okay, and by default, and change the default setting that we have right now when first time user download Nexa. So we need to replace with this setting that I gave you. And also the second thing that we have to do, as you see inside between left side panel and workspace, there is a separate kind of, I can see that there is another separate. It shows in the bottom, it shows in the left, right, like a kind of a workspace, and it's like kind of visible. I don't want that to be visible, and it create kind of shadow type issue, which looks very bad. So how I want that should be flat, like the whole background of Nexa should be flat completely, including workspace, including any background that we have. It should be one flat background. Maybe that license issue that you were saying, because I told you, okay, copy your license again and paste. Did you do that? This one? Did you copy and paste it your license again? Guys, also if you want to join our Discord, we have like about 208 members. We are growing slowly there as well, and be part of this amazing community. Join, link is in the chat. So you can join. And if you are using Nexa, you see any bug, you can go to Nexa build and report any bug you see or any feature that you think Nexa is missing, and we can add like the one that you think it fit for Nexa, right? So I will check and I will see if it fit the Nexa. We can improve it. I'm back. Welcome back. No, I haven't tried it. Okay, try it. Welcome, Zico. I made Zico mod, Yusuf. Why? Because he's mod in Next channel as well, right? And he's very active. I'm like, okay. But today he was gone. So I expected he's here, but he didn't here. So I'm gonna like say that maybe he's not that active that I thought. Good to see you, Zeko. Welcome back. Okay, Yusuf. Thank you so much for being here. Have a great night. I'm gonna see you next time. Take care. It works. Okay, good. Yeah, sometimes you have to you just need to re-upload. I mean, you have to put it again. But this one, I almost fixed it. I think I fixed it. The second app, I improved the permission stuff a lot, especially in Grok, Kimi. I had some issues I found myself as well. Those are improved significantly. And I will also reevaluate your report as well and check if that my fixes fix it. If not, then I'm gonna fix it. And have you added Grok Composer section? Yeah, that's the thing, right? That's the second thing. I already fixed a lot of issues with Grok and Composer. I already fixed like a lot, and I'm gonna also send that one your report again. Like I'm gonna revalidate. So check it again.
Let me eat my weight in glee. I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids
You have no. I have not added Grok on computer. No. I have not.
some days I feel skinny.
On computer use, you're asking. No, I have not. A computer use need after this update. Computer use need a completely kind of rechecking. Now there are some issues. Some it's a little bit slow. Lol, when you gone, Zico, you can't be gone. Don't be gone. Yeah. Computer use, Mimi, it need completely. How to say? Completely, I need to check it properly from A to Z. So, see you. See you, bro. Tell me one subscription that works nice and I have too much token cheap. I have used for 5 hours, spent 1 week. Now I only have. I think if you stick to be honest with you, if you use Codex subscription and if you use Codex the $100 a month, it's really good, and you can use Sol as a main agent and ask it to use Luna for all of other stuff. You are still here, Yusuf. We can see you.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna let it out. Tonight, we gonna let it out. Tonight, we gonna let it out. Just like the sunrise, we gonna let it out.
When I'm compacting context, animation is good too. Animation is also improved. Yes, this version is improved way more than what you have, right? The newer version will have even simpler one, which I built here. It's like more cleaner than this one.
Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's
Especially, I really like the new report. You see the new report card?
we can't turn back now.
It says work. You click, you see everything inside. If not, it's closed by default.
Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna let it out. Tonight, we gonna let it out. Tonight, we gonna let it out. Just like the sunrise, we gonna let it out.
So technically speaking, it is V3 because it's too big, right? So are you thinking to do something groundbreaking for V3? I don't know what else we can do, right? Right now, this is like a V, almost like a V3, but we're not gonna keep changing. We're gonna keep it for now on V2 as an update orders. But for V3, like since we started, honestly, Nexa improved a lot. Like since a month ago, which we were in beta right now, until now, I cannot even imagine from where I started, right? Even if I look at my earlier screenshot, sometime I go and I check it, like wow. I don't know, maybe if I go here on on screenshot number 2, this is Lovable. I was working on that time with Lovable. These are all screenshots. You see, this is how I was like working. Look, this is how it was looking on the first place. This was Nexa's chat when I was started. Look. Yeah, the Android is, yes, definitely. Emulator will be in Nexa. This was how it was looking, guys, when I started. And I have come so much far. And this was, what is it? No, this is another. This is bold. This was how it was looking, live build. Crazy, man. Oh, what is this? This is the dashboard. So much time I spent it. You see, Mimi, this is how it was looking. Come so much far, like I worked so much hard on this one. Yeah, it changed a lot because you don't change it like overnight. Improvement will happen over time. Like people think, there was a guy earlier in the chat, he was like, oh, I was like from bottom of my heart, I was explaining to him everything that Nexa is like, how it does. He was like, oh, that's not a big deal, it's one prompt for Fable 5. I was like, yeah, good luck good luck to do it. One from Fable 5, yeah, okay, good luck. Like everyone think it's just everything is doing AI. Yes, it's building AI, and we all experience, like the people that really working on real product, they know that it's not that. It's like we all learned, like when we started from beginning, all of white coders, we learned that it's not just magic. You have to be in charge. If you lose a little bit, if you lose the leash of AI a little bit, things will go like 180 degree on the opposite side of what you expected, because it will do stupid stuff that you will never imagine. That's why you have to build the hardest leash, and you have to be in charge, and you have to read every plan, everything that it says. If you don't read it, if you don't like test it, and you just approve, okay, do, you're gonna be like in a hole that makes you to completely give up. Because I have been there so many times, right? I did that mistake before a lot when I started. No, it's not one prompt. There are many. Yeah, integrate smaller things that yes, you can fork other things like T3 code, but still will have its own issues. Yeah. And you have to completely understand what's the inside, else you will not know what's doing. Yes, of course. Like if you don't build something and you fork something, right? You don't know how it built. You're like, what the hell? Because you don't know how things works. Forking is good, but it's not yours. You didn't build it. What are you saying, Mika? I do spec driving depth. What is that? Is it a new AD? Is it an AD or anything like that? Okay, after that changes that you built, the only issue that we have right now, the header is disappeared, and when I move my mouse it's gonna be visible. It's supposed to be, but the visible header for the workspace panel should be fixed back and keep that flat background that we built, and also fix this visible header as well. And dragging and also unlock still will be like invisible until the user move their mouse. It's called okay, it's called giving a present to yourself. Spec driving development. It's like building plan. Okay, and then executing all at once. Testing first. Okay, great, nice. But I do honestly manually, like not manually, like I'm in charge basically. I have to test myself until I don't, some stuff I don't understand, then I will use Nexa computer use to do for me. But I have to visually, I should feel it, I should approve it. Maybe that workflow is gonna, the one that you're using, maybe it's gonna be way more efficient than what I do. But because I do, for me, I'm wasting so much time. For me, it's not about just the code should be right? For me, it's about the functionality. For me, about like in real world test. As you see right now, I use it daily. I use Nexa daily, like 16 hours. I cannot call it, but okay, 14 hours every single day. So when I do test, I caught a lot of stuff that code says, okay, it's green, right? All test pass. But when I work myself, that's what I caught most of stuff. I haven't tried with Nexa, like give it a branch of docs with proper instruction fully. If it works without filling or not, because I tried it with table. There's so many things. Okay, you tried with table before Nexa or inside Nexa? And also that color should match the workspace panel color. Right now the color is different, the color is not matching. Fix that as well, the workspace header color. When user move the mouse, then it should show this highlighted color, otherwise it should match the rest of panel color. What is control room UI? Like the dashboard for Nexa? Where is the control room? Control room? Where is this control room? Control room. My feature request for you. Read the full chat.
I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over, until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands
Okay. Control room is the new feature request that Mecha is asking, but I'm waiting for him. No, what I want when I move before I move my mouse, the header should be visible with the black color or any color that the workspace panel is. When I move my mouse, the only thing should be visible, that unlock site and the draggable ability. If you get my point. Welcome everyone. If you are new here, my name is Riza, and this is my product or project that I built it. It's called Nexa. It's an agentic coding workspace. This one. So this is the new update, which will be available maximum by tomorrow, because still it's not done. I've been working on this one like 5 days almost, or 4 days. I completely forgot, and it's not done yet. I mean those updates. I'm not the whole app. Have been working on this one more than like 6 months. Today I'm on 203 days basically. That's what I do. And if you want to support me, please do like this stream and subscribe. Guys, what are you doing? Mimi and Mecca, are you working still? You both? Man, this looks so clean. I don't know guys, but hey, it looks so clean. Look at this guys. The new version, this one. Look at this. It looks so clean. It goes so clean. I don't know. Do I feel it? It's so clean because I've been working on this one, or what do you think, guys? Or it does really look clean? So here is a smaller issue that we found. I found it that the new workspace panel, as you see, it has issue. It turned to glass. Even I am on max, it still shows on glass, and also when I go to glass, it's completely. It's like it doesn't respect that glass setting that we have for blurry or any other setting that we have. Especially the blurry stuff, it doesn't respect it completely. What it's called in English, what is this? I don't remember the word. Solution or something maybe. So this need to be fixed. This is the thing that from the workspace panel need to be fixed properly. Yes sir, yes sir. Okay, adding clipper for subtitle. Okay, nice. Yeah, it is very clean and professional looking. Just improve the look of theme sidebar. Yeah. The drop down theme selector, this one need improvement. Yeah, this need improvement. Yes. And also this drop down that we have for theme, the color and the color should be the same as we have like for dark light, and it should not have a round of it. It shouldn't have any border around of it, and also it shouldn't show the numbers like 5 of 4 available or anything like that, because user click and they see what they have and what they don't have. And also where you type the name, that area also need to be clean, because now I thought when I try to click and type, it use the SN aggressively. Okay. Okay, guys, I think it's Saturday. I'm gonna end stream a little bit earlier, and the reason is I'm really super tired and hungry. I have to go and eat, and kind of a little is how to say stretch, and then eat in peace, and then give like a final pass for codex, start like a kind of loop, and then try to relax a little bit. And I will be start streaming on Monday. So tomorrow no stream. So tomorrow is weekend. We're gonna take off. I'm not like from work. We may still be working, but from stream tomorrow. I'm gonna see you guys on a Monday on streaming. Thank you everyone for being here. Thank you. A lots of love from bottom of my heart to you all, and for everyone that supported me. So if you're new here, make sure do a like, subscribe this channel, and if you want to follow the Nexa journey, can we be head to head with bigger fish? I don't know in terms of quality what I'm trying to say. So thank you everyone. Have a great day. Have a great night. What do we do now? I guess we die. No. No, don't say that. Don't say that. Okay. Don't say that. What do we do? You gonna, I know you have a lot of things to do. Lots of love, bro. See you, both of you. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone. Let's finish this song. Then I go. Wait. Maybe wait. Let's finish this song in a full volume, guys. Then I go.
I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out.
Welcome, Thomas. Welcome back. This is the last song for this stream, and then we are done for today's stream.
Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking.
Okay, guys, thank you so much. I'm gonna see you on Monday. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for all the love and support. Lots of love from bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. I'm gonna see you on Monday. Peace. Or whatever. Peace.